Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable USB audio routing on Android. So if you want to disable it, you can try to activate developer option first. You can tap about phone on setting, and you can tap repeatedly your build number until notification pop up you are on developer option or developer option is on, and you can access it in additional settings. Here you can tap keyboard and input method. I'm sorry, this one, developer options. Sorry, I'm not focused. And here we go, developer options is is enabled. Now you can scroll down and try to see or try to find a disable USB audio routing here. Disable automatic routing to USB audio peripheral. If you turn this on, this prevents Android from automatically using newly connected USB audio devices such as a headphone adapter or USB headsets. It might be helpful if you want to plug in a device that offers an audio output but don't actually want to use the audio part, like USB dock or adapter with 3.5mm headphone jack among other ports. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.